What's the plan, Stan?
Make a splitter, which covers the whole front of the car, not only for aerodynamic reasons, but also to protect the engine from underneath. So we're going to make the splitter out of two pieces, one till the end of the front bumper, and one piece from the subframe till the splitter. So when you hit the gravel trap, you won't damage it.
I like how we both assume that I will hit the gravel.
So we're going to make it fully out of composite, carbon fiber, a core material to make it as light as possible. Let's do some measuring.
And order some supplies, I guess.
Yeah. You happy?
Very happy. Step 1 out of 17. Where are we at now?
All of the resin has been through the panel. So I would say let's flip it and see if the other side is also fully saturated.
All right, let's flip it.
Yeah. That looks mint. Full Kevlar bottom.
Did you call my bottom full Kevlar?
It's like impact resistant.
that. You lose something?
I was damn sure there was a spacer on this wheel. There it is.
This is it. She's ready. She is strapped onto the trailer and TT Assen is right around the corner. I can't believe it's been since September that we've been trying to get her ready for the tracks and the day is finally here. It's just going to be a lot of fun. I am really sure of it. But how much fun? I think you're gonna have to wait till the next episode. And I know, major cliffhanger, but we owed you another episode. So follow us on Instagram. Hopefully we get to do some live coverage of what TT Assen will feel like for the newbie racer.